So today is Wednesday, March 12th. My hair is crazy. I have not washed it. I just finished editing the weekend vlog. So Saturday and Sunday. So I still have Monday and Tuesday. I think I'm just gonna do them together. I did it on iMovie, and then I saw on TikTok that there's another it's called Vlo. That's what I'm using now. So I like put it together on iMovie really fast, and then I like added all the other stuff on like the text and stuff, because I don't like how it does the text on iMovie. And then this part I did that on Canva. So let's pick up Karina. Barkbox has arrived for the pups. And I'm gonna open it with my little flower knife. That's what it looks like. So this is Sunny Spot Garden. Oh, this is their favorite, lamb treats. 2 bags of lamb treats. And we have a little carrot. Okay, let me take off the thingy. Here you go. Oh, wait. And we have a little... And then this is a veggie stick. So usually these, I just split them up and then I give them each half. A little area. They have their treats that I get them from, I think I got these from Costco. Oh no, these are from Target. More treats. These are the ones that I just opened, and these are the other ones from the other Bark boxes. And then in the back they have like medications and stuff like Benadryl, whatever. These are the other treats. Oh yeah, these are from Target, not from Costco. And this is their little area to eat food and drink water. And look how cute! How cute! How cute! Carrots. And they have the super chewer box, so this is like hard, like hard. And then their blankets, I need to wash them again. I wash them a lot because they are just dirty dogs. And whenever, like right now they took all of them out, but usually I only take 2 of them out and then I put the rest in there. But they were cold last night, I guess, and I took them all out. Uh-oh. I'm trying to remember to drink a lot more water because I have not lately. So right now I'm just gonna go to DAISO. done with that, they do charge you for your bags. So I came to look for something like this anyway, and like this little basket, and I just put everything in there anyway. So I found, they have like regular chips, like chips that you can buy here, but I found their Cheetos. Obviously I could just buy the ones from here, but like that's the point. I want to like see if it tastes different or not, but they look like this. And then I bought Liliana. Oops, sorry Liliana, I didn't buy you any, but I bought child something. But we can share. But the other bag is for Danielle because we're gonna do a little video on it. Bought literally like more candy, some stuff for home, like the kitchen or whatever. No, I haven't gone. I came to the store. Yeah, I'm at the store. Anyway, as I was saying, I bought like other little things, like little like cute. Oh, I bought this little and I'm gonna see if I can put it on the camera for adorable. Adorable. Like I love these pens, but I don't want to buy like 30 of them or like 10. So here you can buy them separately. So I bought the purple and the blue because it's so cute. So yeah, I'm gonna see what I can put this on. Anyway, that's what it was. So right now I'm just gonna go get my Target pickup, and then I'm gonna go pick up Miguel. So in a couple minutes, Miguel will be right here.